Once upon a time, in a vibrant village, there was a kite named Kiki. Kiki was no ordinary kite, she was a kaleidoscope of colors, with stripes of blue, green, red, and gold that shimmered under the sun. The children of the village loved her, and every day they would run through the fields, laughing and guiding Kiki into the sky. Kiki's favorite time was when the breeze picked up, and she could dance among the clouds. But there was one thing Kiki didn't understand. Though she loved the wind and the wide open sky, she felt like she was always tethered to the earth by the string held tightly in a child's hand. She often wondered what it would be like to soar freely without any strings at all. One afternoon, as Kiki floated high above the village, she noticed a fluffy white cloud named Cumulus drifting nearby. Cumulus floated closer to Kiki and said in a gentle, airy voice, "Hello there, little kite. I see you're dancing among us clouds. You look like you're longing for something more." Kiki wiggled and fluttered excitedly. "Oh, yes, Cumulus. I love the sky, but I always feel tied down. I wish I could be free to explore every corner of the world." Cumulus swirled thoughtfully, then said, "To understand freedom, you must first understand its meaning. It is not just the absence of constraints but also the right to explore and find your own way." Kiki pondered this as she floated gracefully. Cumulus's words were like a gentle breeze guiding her thoughts. The next morning, a strong wind blew through the village. The children ran out to fly their kites, including Kiki. But as the wind grew stronger, it became difficult to hold on to the strings. One by one, the kites began to break free, including Kiki. Her string snapped, and she was suddenly untethered, soaring higher than ever before. At first, Kiki felt a rush of exhilaration. She dipped and climbed, twirled and spun, reveling in the sensation of true freedom. But as she drifted further from the village, she began to feel a bit lonely and lost. The sky was beautiful, but without her string, she had no direction. She realized that freedom without purpose or connection could feel empty. Just then, Kiki saw Cumulus floating beside her. His fluffy form provided a comforting presence, and he spoke with a soft, soothing tone. "You've learned an important lesson. True freedom isn't about escaping from everything but understanding that you have the right to choose your path and find balance." Kiki nodded with understanding. She made her way back towards the village, the wind guiding her gently. As she approached, she saw the children looking up, their faces full of concern and joy as they saw her return. The children cheered, and they carefully tied Kiki's string once more. This time, however, they did so with a new understanding. They allowed Kiki more freedom to explore the sky, giving her room to soar while keeping her connected to the earth. Kiki realized that being free didn't mean being alone or disconnected. It meant having the right to explore while being connected to those who cared for her. She danced in the sky, her colors more vibrant than ever, knowing that freedom was a precious right and a beautiful balance between independence and connection.